Last time we added lazy loading to React routing, and today we are going to do the exactly same thing, but in Angular. Let's go. So I have the same application, this time in Angular. I have cities component and heroes component, which come from heroes and cities modules. There is a routing defined in the layout module. We have two routes for cities and heroes, and this routing is working fine, but it doesn't use lazy loading. So let's add it. First of all, let's remove the component property and use loadChildren instead. Here we need the path to our module. This is a promise, so we can use then and return the cities module. Now we need to go to the cities module and add routing here. For that, we will need routes constant, and we also need to import the router module and use forChild function with our routes. The last thing we have to do is to remove the cities module from the layout module. It wouldn't make sense to import this module here when we are using lazy loading. So now, when we reload the application and throttle the internet connection and switch to cities, we can see that the cities chunk is being downloaded on demand. It is being lazy loaded. So that's it for Angular. See you next time.